Hello viewers, welcome back to Travels Highlights. Today we're taking a trip to one of the best spots in Cleveland, the Cleveland Metropark Zoo. If you love animals, nature, or just want a fun day out, this place is a must-see. Let's get into everything you need to know to make your visit amazing. The Cleveland Metropark Zoo opened way back in 1882, which means it's been around for over a century. It's not just a zoo, it's a historical landmark. Initially, it was just a small collection of animals in Wade Park, but it moved to its current location in 1907. Now, it's a sprawling 183-acre wonderland that's home to thousands of animals. Let's talk logistics. The zoo is located at 3900 Wildlife Way, just a short drive from downtown Cleveland. Parking is plentiful and free, which is always a plus. General admission tickets are reasonably priced, but keep an eye out for special discounts, like free admission on certain holidays or discounted rates for Cleveland residents. Now, the fun stuff. The zoo is divided into several themed areas, each offering a unique experience. African savanna. This is probably one of the most popular areas. Here, you'll get up close with elephants, giraffes, and zebras. The elephant crossing is a highlight, where you can watch these gentle giants roam and play. Rainforest. If you're into lush, tropical settings, this is your spot. It's a huge indoor exhibit with over 600 animals and 10,000 plants. You'll see everything from orangutans to exotic birds. Plus, it's a great escape if the weather outside isn't cooperating. Australian adventure. For a bit of down-under charm, head here. Kangaroos, wallabies, and koalas await. The area is designed to feel like the Australian outback, giving you a taste of the wild. Northern Trek. This section is all about cold weather animals. Think grizzly bears, sea lions, and reindeer. It's a chill spot, pun intended, where you can see animals that thrive in the cold. Primate, cat, and aquatics building. If you love variety, this building houses a mix of monkeys, big cats, and aquatic life. It's like 3 exhibits in one. The zoo opens at 10 a.m., but getting there a bit early means you can snag a good parking spot and beat the crowds. The zoo is huge, so it helps to have a plan. Grab a map at the entrance and decide which areas you want to hit first. This way, you won't miss any must-see animals. While there are plenty of food options inside the zoo, bringing your own snacks can save you some money and keep you fueled for exploring. Don't miss the interactive exhibits and shows. The animal feedings and keeper talks are super informative and fun. Check the schedule when you arrive so you don't miss out. You'll be doing a lot of walking, so comfy shoes are a must. The Cleveland Metropark Zoo isn't just for kids, but it is incredibly family-friendly. There are plenty of play areas, a 4D theater, and even a carousel. It's a place where kids can learn and play, and adults can enjoy the beauty and wonder of wildlife. So, there you have it. The Cleveland Metropark Zoo is a gem in the heart of Cleveland, offering an amazing day out for visitors of all ages. Whether you're a local or just passing through, it's definitely worth a visit. Pack your camera, wear your comfy shoes, and get ready for an adventure with some of the most incredible animals on the planet. Thanks for tuning in to Travels Highlights. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. See you in the next adventure.